This text-to-app AI agent is actually terrifying in a good way. I just built a celebrity tracking app using Emergent, and honestly, it feels almost illegal. No coding, no designing, just one prompt, and boom, it created an app that tracks real-time celebrity locations, their recent visits, and what they're currently doing. But that's just the beginning. Let me show you 10 wild things people are building with Emergent that will blow your mind. 1. World's first agentic vibe coding platform. Emergent isn't just any no-code builder. It's the first agentic vibe coding platform. That means you give it a prompt, and it acts like a developer, building the full app for you from scratch. Give it someone's basic public info, and it can track the real-time location, daily activities, where they've been, and when, down to the exact timestamp. It's powerful, but also kinda creepy. 2. MCP Server App. This one's wild. You can build a mini control panel, MCP, server using Gemini as the engine. It goes through your files and starts cleaning up your folders and documents on its own. Basically, a smart digital janitor for your system. 3. Netflix Clone App. Yup, someone actually cloned Netflix. And here's the crazy part, it works. You can even upload and watch videos just like on Netflix. Built without writing a single line of code. 4. AI Ad Generator VO3 integration. Upload your product image, and the AI creates a full-blown video advertisement using VO3. It handles the visuals, voiceover, motion graphics, everything. A full studio production powered by AI. 5. AI Automate App. If you're tired of writing proposals, invoices, or emails, this app does it all. Just describe what you need, and it generates professional documents instantly, correctly formatted and ready to send. Freelancers and small business owners are gonna love this one. 6. Celebrity Clothes Finder. Upload a photo of any celebrity outfit, and this app breaks down the entire look. You'll get similar and more affordable options, like the jacket, shoes, pants, with direct links to buy everything. It's like Shazam, but for fashion. 7. KPI Dashboard Generator. A smart dashboard builder where users can upload Excel or CSV files, then create custom KPIs with their own formulas. Great for startups, teams, or solo founders who want fast analytics without touching code. 8. CodeQuest Python Learning Adventure. This one's super creative. It's a Python learning app where users go on fantasy coding quests, earn XP, level up, and write real code as they play. It turns learning into a game, and it's actually fun. 9. Brand Kit Generator App. Just type in your business details, and the app generates a full brand kit. Logos, fonts, brand colors, and even a sample style guide. It's like having a designer and brand consultant built into the app. 10. AI Job Platform. This AI-powered job platform lets admins post job listings, and job seekers can apply with help from an AI assistant. It tailors resumes, fills out application forms, and even helps answer common interview questions automatically. Insane time saver for both recruiters and candidates. Emergent isn't just another AI tool. It's a full-blown agent that builds real working apps from simple ideas. From trackers to clones to dashboards, it's changing how we build software forever. If this blew your mind even a little, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment about which idea you'd build with Emergent. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.